Namaste, Prema from Algeria. Today I am making for the multigrain pizza. Ingredients I taken for the 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of ragi flour, 1½ spoon of sugar, 1½ spoon of yeast, salt to taste. Taken for 1 cup of lukewarm water. So first I can add for the water here. So for this one we'll add a salt to taste. So here I can use for the 1½ spoon of yeast I am using. So this I can use for the 1½ spoon of sugar. Okay, so first we can mix well for this. Mix well. Just close the lid and keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's nicely fluff of here. So for the yeast, so now we can add for the maida, ragi powder, and wheat flour. So this we can mix well with the hand. We can make it like soft dough. So once you made it dough, just keep it for the 1 hour time. It will be made for the double rising. So this the dough is ready. This is the dough. It will be made for the double rising. So just we can knead it on this. You can knead with the hand. It's nicely fluffed up on this one. So this we can bend it. So we'll make it on this. Just we can knead it nicely for this. So you want to use the chapati roller, you can use a chapati roller. For the topping, so here I taken for cut onion, tomato, red chili flakes. So this is for the oregano, pepper powder, pizza cheese, salt to taste, pizza topping and tomato sauce. After 10 minutes, the pizza get ready. Now here I can use for the convection 200 degree. You need more browning. You can use for the 220 also. Either you can use 200 degree. You can go for the preheating option. See now it's a preheating option is there. Once it will comes to the 200 degree, it comes to the beep. Once the beep will become, we'll open the door. So we'll keep for the pizza tray inside. Close the door. Set the time for 16 minutes. Because normal ready base you can keep for 8 minutes. So you want to make for the own base, you can keep for 16 minutes. This last 7 seconds is that. Okay. So now your pizza is that ready. This is for multigrain pizza. Okay. Thank you.